Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about date and time functions like year, month, and day number, how to calculate. We are going to see in today's video. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding in DAX. Okay, so I'm going to cover different examples with the different scenarios. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the today's video demo. So I didn't design any report today because I'm just explaining so what kind of functions will dealing with the date and time so I'm gonna show all the things. Okay, so for that, even though I have loaded these tables like category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory, but I'm not designing any report and all. So I'm just focusing on today's in column tab how to create year and all. I'll try to show that. Okay, so first is date. So by using calendar function, I'm mentioning what is the start date, end date by using the date. Okay, so in date as a start date, so in 2001 onwards, 1st of January 2004, 12th month, 31st. So I have mentioned start date this one, end date this one. Based on that, it's generating the dates. Like even you can notice that it just written so 2004 12th 31st. Now you can see that, right? 31st of 12th month and 2004. So because I have mentioned here start date, end date, from this date to this date the dates has to be written, so that is the reason it will get. So this is the first column. So this is the second. So year. So by using year function, I am passing date as a input parameter. Based on that, it will extract the year from this date. Okay, so here we have 2001, 2, 3, 4. So 4 years are there. So if we just try to filter also, we can see that how many years we have. So you can see that 2001, 2, 3, 4, like that. So by using year function, I have extracted the year from the date. And also quarter. So by using quarter function, by taking the date as a input parameters, so I'm getting the quarters for each year. How many quarters are there? In 2001 you can see that 4 quarters. In 2002 also we can see 4 quarters. Like that it will iterate row by row also. Okay, so for finding month number, I have used the month function and taking the date as a input parameters. Okay, by passing the input parameters, automatically you'll get the month number for each date wise. So currently we are in first month. If you scroll down, we can see that second month, because so here third month. Likewise it will return. So for quarter, so here I'm just concatenating Q with quarters. What are the output we are getting? This one I'm just concatenating by using the string. So sometimes they will use for Q1 instead of 1. So it represents easily, we can understand it's a quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, like. So instead of displaying 1, 2, 3, 4, we can concatenate Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Like that we can do that. And we'll try to find the what is the week number. Okay, so now you can see week, we can see 52 or 53 weeks, it depends on the year. Okay, so now you can see that in 2001 we have 53 weeks. In 2002, we'll see in 2002 how many weeks are there. In 2002, 53, here also 53. Like that we can find the so entire year how many weeks are there, whether it is 52 or 53. Okay, so week number, by using week number function, by taking the date as input parameters, and also we can take 2. So week 1, So here instead of displaying 1 2 3 4 we can concatenate to W, so that easily we can understand it's a week, because sometimes if I mention 1 2 3 4 up to 53, it's not that much, so that is the reason I have added W also for concatenating while executing the week number. Okay, so for finding the short number I have used the format function as a, okay, and also taking the input parameters and passing, so this is the month, so short month. Okay, so for getting the full month name we can use the format function also. Here we need to provide 4 m's, here we need to give the 3 times, here we need to give the 4, then we'll get the full month name. Instead of Jan we'll get the January, so like that it will execute. Okay, so here weekday, so by using weekday function we can calculate weekday of the week, whether it is uh, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, something like that. So this is the day number, so each month wise how many days. For example, in January we'll find the 31st 31 days. When it comes to February we can see that 28 days. When it comes to March again we'll find that 31st. Like that we can find each month wise how many days are there. So this is the day number. This is also very similar, but if you notice here we don't have 0. Here we can have 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 like that, but here only 1 2 3 4. If you want, there are some cases you will get requirement, so I want to see the day number like that, so in that case we can go for this one. If you don't want that we can go like this. Okay, so day name, so this is also like a short month name. Instead of mentioning Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, we can make it a short also, Monday, Tuesday, something like that. So for that also we have used the format function. So if you want a full day name like a Monday, Tuesday, we can use this format function. Here 4 times we have to use, but in this case we need to use only 3, right? So I'll go for month. So this is the month number. So already we calculated the month number here. Already we calculated the month number here. But again, why I'm calculating here? Because if you notice here, for month number, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. But here 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4 like that. So I'm adding 0 as a prefix if it is a single digit. If it is 11th month means no need to add anything. Okay, and also day year, so it is executing entire year how many days. So if I scroll down in 2001 how many days are there, so just a minute, 365 days, 365 days. So each year wise it gives the day number 1 2 3 4 like up to the end of the year, like whether it is 365, whether it is 366. Okay, like that we'll get by using format function. So year quarter, so there are some cases we'll get I want to display 2001, so quarter 1 2001 quarter 1 2001 quarter 2, like that. So we can do by adding concatenate and all, so by taking the date and year as well as the date and quarter. And also we can generate like a month number, month year, January 2001, January 2002, January 2003, like that also we can add. So some customers will ask like this, some customers will ask different scenarios based on the requirement and all. Okay, so this is the date sequence in entire whole calendar year how many days. So it generates each row one number. For example, in this table how many rows are there? There are 1461 rows. Okay, so so each number, each row wise it will generate a number sequentially, you can see that. So for that I have used the earlier function, and by taking the count rows for this table, based on that it will generate row by row. And this is the weekend. How to calculate whether it is a weekend or weekday? So I have taken the switch function. Based on that, if the day name is called Saturday means weekend, if the day name is Sunday means weekend. So except these two, make it weekday, right? Usually Saturday Sunday we call it as a weekend. So that is the reason I have used the switch statement and written the expression like that. Based on that it will execute. Say for example, if you see here, so Monday weekday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. When it comes to Saturday Sunday, see Saturday Sunday means it's a weekend. So like that this expression will execute. So each row is, so that's all video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I will try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for other videos.